Periodically wiping the sensors, dispenser well, plate, and tray with a soft cloth is suggested to support your dispensing operation. Sensor 1, Sensor 2. Keep the sensors and the tray clean and dry at all times. Use a dry cloth if needed to remove droplets from the surface of the sensors. Do not poke into the eye, pry, or remove sensors from the components. Do not spray water or any cleaning liquids on the sensors. Simply wipe the droplets from the sensor area. Note: the tray and plate are needed for the intelligent autofill operation. Wiping off the tray, plate, and dispenser well, and ensuring both parts are included is essential. To keep your unit's dispensing and performance up to date, periodically check for over-the-air updates via Wi-Fi. Refer to your owner's manual, quick start guide, and/or our branded sites for more consumer instructions and need to know. Also, check your unit's QR codes, found in the refrigerator compartment, owner's manual, and quick start guide.